my life. I made the decision. I close my eyes, I see the vision. With last time, I can have the freedom. This is my life. This is my life. This is your life. You made the decision. You close your eyes. You see the vision. With last eyes, you have the freedom. This is your life. This is your life. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. Live better, live better, live better every day. Whoa. This is my life. I made the decision. I close my eyes, I see the vision. Oh, with last eyes, can have the freedom. This is my life. This is my life. This is your life. You made the decision. You close your eyes and you see the vision. Ooh, in last house, you have the freedom. This is your life. This is your life. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. Live better, live better, live better every day. Live better every day.
Please rise and join us for an opening prayer. Father God in heaven, thank you for this day that we will celebrate together success of our company, our leaders, and all Lifestyles distributors. We acknowledge your grace that in the midst of this worldwide challenge that we are experiencing your abounding grace. Let your name be glorified in all parts of our program today. This we pray in the name of Jesus our Lord. Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem. company that helps people live better every day. Today is another milestone for us as we bring to you the first ever in the history of Lifestyle, the Digital Recognition and Leadership Training. Get ready to be inspired and being motivated. Today, we will be witnessing promotions of different team levels, training from our highest income earner, Global Marketing Director, Ms. Beng Mendoza, a product training session with our Senior Vice President, Mr. Paul Kramer, and corporate announcements by our Managing Director, Mr. Sean Deborah, all the way from Toronto, Canada. To honor accomplishments, triumphs beyond compare, a warmest welcome to our inspiring industry leaders and distinguished participants. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Lifestyle Philippines group of elite leaders. Let's start off by calling on the third highest position in the Lifestyle organization. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Marketing Directors. Moving up, let us recognize the second highest position in the Lifestyle organization, the International Marketing Directors. Now we move up to the highest position in the Lifestyles organization, the prestigious position every Lifestyle distributor aspires. It is with much pride and honor to present to you our Global Marketing Directors.
Morning, this is Global Marketing Director Maria Clarissa Arroyo from Quezon City, Metro Manila.
Good morning, I'm GMD Elvis Sabuco from Pasig City.
Hi, I'm Global Marketing Director Dino Advincula from Tacloban, Eastern Visayas.
Good morning, I'm GMD Emilyn Ong from Northern Samar.
Good morning, Global Marketing Director Rochelle Peñaranda from Manila.
Good morning, I'm Global Marketing Director Maribit Villamor of Tagbilaran, Bohol.
Hi, good morning. This is Global Marketing Director Giselle Laksamana from Tarlac City.
Good morning, GMD Durin from Manila.
Good morning, I'm Global Marketing Director Robert Marty Viral Sati from Palo, Leyte.
Hi, good morning. This is Sheila Ruiz, Global Marketing Director from Cebu City.
Good morning, I'm Global Marketing Director Jen Montablan from San Pedro, Laguna.
Good morning, I am GMD Tonet Manzano Brigado from Metro Manila.
Hi, good morning. I am Global Marketing Director Raul B. Limpiado from Catarman, Northern Samar.
Good morning. I'm GMD Le Guevara from Taguig City.
Good morning. I am Global Marketing Director Eric Ludovice from Metro Manila.
Hi, I'm Global Marketing Director Cristina Gamboa from Pampanga.
Morning, I'm Global Marketing Director Doris Penlasa Emilio from Davao City.
Hi, good morning. Global Marketing Director Sen Habalia from Lucena City.
Morning, this is Global Marketing Director Nara Quiros from Cebu City.
Hi, I'm GMD Pating from Pampanga.
I'm Global Marketing Director Jap Marasigan from Sariaya, Quezon.
Good morning, GMD Tina Perez from Lipa City, Batangas.
Hi, good morning. I'm GMD John Slee from Tarlac City.
Good morning, I'm Global Marketing Director Angel Tejabiag from Bicol.
Hello, good morning. I'm Global Marketing Director Mitch Faustino from Manila.
Good morning. I am Jennifer Provido from General Santos City.
Good morning. I'm Global Marketing Director Malu Diaz-Arellano from Fairview, Quezon City.
Good morning. I'm GMD Angie Liwanag from Green Hills, San Juan,
Metro Manila.
This is Global Marketing Director Rachel Vidal Patudo, all the way from Legazpi City. Good morning!
Good morning! I am Global Marketing Director Raymil Dingoy from Metro Manila.
Hi, good morning. I am GMD Christine Kimpo from Metro Manila.
Hi, good morning lifestylers! I'm Junigo from General Santos City.
Good morning! I'm Eva Radillos from Cebu City.
Good morning! I'm GMD Peng Mendoza from Metro Manila.
Welcome to our first digital recognition and leadership training. I feel so proud that we were able to have this. I knew that you are all so inspired and proud na meron po tayong ganito. Yes? Wow, let us all welcome all our leaders and distributors all over the world, especially dito po sa Philippines. Let us welcome all our leaders and distributors from Luzon! Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. We may be the most affected in this challenge that we have, but we are unstoppable. And also to our leaders and distributors from Visayas! Wow, I'm so proud of you guys! Mamaya po malalaman niyo kung bakit. And now, let's welcome our leaders and distributors from Mindanao. Clap, clap, clap naman po para sa inyong lahat. And now, we will hear an opening remarks to the woman behind the resilience of Lifestyle PH, that we were able to rise above these challenges, and she made us all more active in doing our lifestyle business. Let us all welcome our General Manager, Ms. Chantel Gonzalez.
Good morning! Welcome to the Recognition and Leadership Training of Lifestyles, the online version. Oh, naninibago ba kayo? Ako nga, naninibago ako din eh. Kasi, di ba sanay na sanay tayong napakadaming tao lagi pag nagtitipon-tipon tayo? Di ba kailan lang nagkita-kita tayo sa Cuneta Astrodome with 10,000 attendees? Lahat yan dumaan sa temperature scanning, ha? Tapos nag-national gala tayo with over 4,000 persons. Nag-temperature scanning pa rin. Tapos RLT pa tayo sa Inara Sports Arena. Over 2,000 persons yon. Pero nitong naghigpit na konti, nakapag-functions pa rin tayo. O sino sa inyo naka-attend ng function sa Lifestyles offices natin nationwide? Yun bang naka-social distancing pa tayo 1 meter apart? O kahit ganun kung maka-yes at maka-good morning pati yung audience dahil sa excitement from the speakers na nadidinig nila on stage. Pero nitong lalong naghigpit na po yung enhanced community quarantine, talagang kailangan pong manatili na tayo sa mga bahay-bahay natin. Pero syempre, bilang lifestylers, nakahanap pa rin tayo ng paraan para mag-reach out sa kapwa natin at makatulong pa rin sa mga taong nangangailangan ng mga produkto natin. And I would like to congratulate everyone because all of our online events have been very successful so far. And I just want to mention a few. Our Mega Hopes are already getting up to 26,000 views per session yun, ha? Tapos yung mga mindset workshop natin, up to 10,000 views na rin po per session. Our NDSOs are getting 14,000 views per session. Diba? Magtataka ka pa, yung lifestyle song nga na-miss nyo na yun, no? Nung nilabas namin lang lifestyle song, umabot din sa 11,000 views niya online. And just recently, a few days ago, our Senior Vice President, Mr. Paul Kramer, all the way in Canada, started recording a series of product training videos. Umaabot na rin po ng 13,000 views per session yon. Pero alam nyo ba kung ano ang pinaka-blockbuster sa lahat? This was the video when we had our brand new Global Marketing Director. Grabe, na-imagine nyo, during the COVID season, nagkaroon pa tayo ng GMD promotion. And this announcement was done by our Managing Director, Mr. Sean Deborah, all the way from Canada. When we released that video, umabot na po sa 152,000 views na po online yung video na yan. So grabe po, I just want to encourage everybody to continue reaching out to other people. Kasi po, ang dami pong nangangailangan ng produkto natin. Keep drinking Intra, sharing Intra, and passing it on in any way that we can. So today, I want to thank you for joining us. It's gonna be a lot of fun and excitement. We're going to be recognizing our newly promoted direct distributors, regional directors, executive directors, may mga speech pa yan ha, our ED6QLPLs with speech also, and of course, our brand new Global Marketing Director. You'll hear and be inspired by his journey to GMD. And syempre, stick around till the very end kasi yung pinaka-highlight po ng leadership training natin is going to be done by none other than our global highest income earner, GMD Peng Mendoza. She will motivate us and keep the fire burning in our hearts as we continue to fulfill our mission of helping people live better every day. Thank you and good morning.
Thanks, Ma'am Chantal, for that wonderful opening remarks. We would like to congratulate the newly promoted direct distributors and regional directors for March volume. Ang mga direct distributor po, sila po yung mga kumuha ng lifestyle packages, either instant or express, or nakakomplete po sila ng 1,400 points last March volume. At ang mga regional director naman po, or RD, sila naman po yung mga nakasponsor ng at least 2 new direct distributors na kumuha ng either instant or express, or basta nagkaroon po ng 2 qualified legs last March volume. Palakpakan po natin sila as their names are flashed on the screen. Congratulations once again to our new DDs and RDs and to the proud upline. And now let us proceed to our product training session all the way from Toronto, Canada. Please welcome our Senior Vice President, Mr. Paul Kramer.
Getting kind of thirsty. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Oh, this looks pretty good. I'll have some of this. Let's see what we got here. Need some extra energy today. Take a couple of Tria. 2, Matt, 4, 6. 6 of those. Oh, that's good. Hey everybody. Good morning, lifestylers. Paul Kramer here. Coming to you from the staff lunchroom at the corporate office here in Toronto. Hope everybody's doing well. This is the first virtual RLT that we've ever done due to COVID-19. We're not able to gather, so we're here with you on video. Hope you're having a great RLT watching wherever you are. I know we've got some amazing stuff to share with you today. Of course, we have our new GMD, which is also extremely exciting to have that happen during a month like this. I also want to remind you guys that we've done a couple product training videos for you, one on Intra in the immune system and one on our Nutria Plus in the immune system. So I hope you're tuning into those and I hope you're sharing those with everybody, because the reason we did those is really to help you recruit, right? Especially when we can't meet, we want to be able to get recruiting going, get our instants, get our Express Directs going. And I hope you use those videos and share it with people around the world to help in our recruiting exercise. Also, we did 2 Q&As, which will be coming out shortly if you haven't already seen them. And those are great because we're taking questions from distributors actually around the world and answering them for you. So I thought what I'd do here today while I've got your attention is answer a couple more questions from distributors strictly in the Philippines. So I've got some questions here, and the first one is from Marnie Tamandong in Santa Barbara, Pangasinan. And I love going to Pangasinan because as you're driving to Pangasinan, on the right you see the beautiful rice fields of Pangasinan, and it's the only place that I've been in the Philippines where they serve unlimited rice. So shout out to the rice farmers in Pangasinan. Now, Marnie's question, is it okay for young babies to drink Intra? Okay, so young babies. The answer is yes, it is. Just start off very slowly. Just a few drops a day to make sure that the baby doesn't have any unknown allergies or intolerances. But normally, what we found is that just a few drops a day, either in their formula or directly into their mouths, is no problem at all, and it's well tolerated. So, Marty, thanks for that question. We've got one here from Sheila Cotabera, direct distributor out of Metro Manila. And she's got a great question. She wants to know, can I take Intra, or why should I take Intra if I'm not sick? Well, that's a great question, because I'm going to drink this whole glass of Intra and I'm not sick, I'm perfectly healthy. And the reason why I'm healthy and the reason why you want to stay healthy is by using Intra each and every day. Even if you're not sick, of course you want to take Intra because it's building up your immune system, it's keeping your body strong, especially when we know all these things are coming at us, we've got all these bacteria and viruses coming at us. It's important that our bodies stay strong. Do not wait until you get sick to take your Nutria Plus. Don't wait until you get sick to take your Intra. Use these products each and every day to stay healthy. But that's a great question, Sheila, thank you. Now, we've got a question from Executive Director Zenaida Lejano, I think that's right, Zenaida Lejano, in Western Batangas. Okay. She wants to know that, she says, sometimes I notice there's a solid buildup in the intraliquid. What is that? Fabulous question. Sometimes if you don't mix up your intra properly, shake it before you use it, you're going to see some of the herbs sort of clump together a little bit. And these are the plant extracts. They're very powerful in the intra product, but they're plants, right? So they're solids. And we, of course, dissolve them in the intra. We do an extract. But it's very, very important to shake your intra before you use it. If there's a little bit of sediment on the bottom, it's not a problem. That's part of one of the plant extracts, typically the licorice root. Okay, so typically it's licorice root. Now, we've got an NMD out of Cebu City. Blanca Ramucha, I hope that's right, Blanca Ramucha out of Cebu City. She wants to know that if somebody takes intra and their blood sugar goes up, what's the problem? Well, typically it's not directly related to the intra, but my suggestion to you, anybody who has blood sugar problems in any kind whatsoever, take intra with food. Okay? The other option you have, of course, is intra capsules if you're very, very concerned about your sugar. But if you take intra with food and you spread it out over the day, so at 3 meals you take a little bit of intra at each meal, you won't have any problem at all with your blood sugar. It's a great way to keep your blood sugar low. Okay? Now, the other one here, the last question is out of Davao City, Executive Director Ruby Rivera. She's got a great question about diets like keto and some of these other weight loss diets. And how do you sell and how do you talk about our products if somebody's on the keto program or if they're on, some other low carb program? Well, our products fit perfectly because a lot of these diets restrict people's calories or the amount of food that you're eating. So if you're restricting the amount of food you're eating, you need extra nutrition. You need the vitamin C, you need the plant extracts that are in Nutria Plus to keep your immune system strong, right? Remember all the things we talked about in that Nutria Plus video. There are powerful nutrients in both of these products that is going to support you, keep your immune system strong, and that's what you need, especially if you're on a diet where you're restricting calories, okay? So the products are tremendous for any person to use. I would encourage you, especially at this time, to use our products each and every day and keep your body strong, stay healthy in an unhealthy world. And I'd just like to finish by saying cheers. Hope all of you have a fabulous day. Stay healthy, wash your hands, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Cheers.
Thank you so much for that great talk, Sir Paul Kramer. And now, we would like to congratulate and hear for our newly promoted executive directors. Very inspiring po sila kasi you will be promoted to ED pag you were able to either sponsor 4 new directs or you have 4 qualified legs. Let us all welcome them and hear their speeches.
Si Alicia Paha, new Executive Director ng Parañaque City. Andito po ako sa lifestyle dahil meron po akong acute pneumonia. Ngayon, 1 month nag-take ako, nagpala po sa doktor. Thanks God, nawala na po ang sakit ko. Tinuloy ko ang business. First payout ko, 30,000, napakalaki. Dito lang po yan sa lifestyle. Ngayon, hindi hadlang ang lockdown ngayon. Nasunugan pa ang lugar namin. Muntik nang masunog ang bahay namin, ang pera namin ay hindi po, nawala pa. Tinuloy ko pa rin ang aking promotion. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga downline ko, sa asawa ko, sa mga mentor ko na walang sawang sumusuporta, sina Edwin Los, Sir Noy Rondina, Ramil Ginorimo, Ma'am Tess de Malanta, Sir Steve, GMD, Jones Lloyd. Thank you po. God bless. Bye-bye.
Good morning. I'm Armel Gonzaga Adayo, the newest promoted Executive Director of Lifestyles Philippines. I met Lifestyles way back in 2009 through the brochure of my soulmate. I use Drink Intra to address my UTI, vertigo and insomnia, and I also need this as my part-time to support my wife. I would like to thank Lifestyles Philippines, Ma'am Chantel, Ma'am Ping Mendoza for her endless support in love, Sir Tony and Ma'am Ann, my downlines, and most especially to my beloved wife, National Marketing Director, Maria Lourdes Alfonso Adayo. Thank you and good morning. To God be all the glory.
Hi! Hello everyone! I'm Azanet Alban Estrada from Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay Province. Na-meet ko si Lifestyle ng dahil sa cousin ko. So dahil may tonsillitis at sinusitis din ako, so no doubt to franchise the product. But while taking introduced together the Nutria Plus and Febrilife massively, I feel better now. So, thank you so much to my cousin, the National Marketing Director, Jubert and Wilma Camiging, for introducing us the product and always inspiring us to do the business also. Thank you to my supportive husband and GMD Eva Hermosilia Aradilius, the Money Ferry of Cebu City. And thank you also to the Lifestyle Company for the ED promotion. So go lang tayo to share our mission, to share the product, and to inspire others to do the business also. Thank you so much, and to God be all the glory.
Good morning everyone! I am Bibiana Ibalucos from Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte, a public school teacher. I met Lifestyles last December 2019 through my big sis Ate Joanne B. Misiona. I started taking the products last January 3 and availed the Instant Direct package. I thank God because after a week, I become energized, my cysts disappear, and my digestive system function well. And above all, my colleagues asked me if what beauty products I use because I look so differently. I just smiled and invite them to attend our scheduled home meeting with Ate Joanne in our place for them to know our amazing Lifestyles products. Thank you, Lifestyles, for my fast promotion and for the extra income. God bless!
Hi, good morning, Lifestyler. I'm Belinda Baluyot, single mom with 2 boys, age 25 years old, a pilot trainee, and 23 years old, an aircraft mechanic and businessman. Also, I'm in the business for more than 14 years. Thank you sa aking upline na angel, si ED6ULPL Marilu Latorre. Dahil sa kanya, nasabi niya na ang brother niyang may sakit na arthritis ay gumaling dahil sa intra. Kaya nagpunta agad ako sa company, nanood ako ng seminar, testimony, at doon ko na-feel ang ganda ng company at ang saya-saya compare sa aking business. Immediately, nag-sign agad ako ng Instant Direct. At ngayon, na-enjoy na ng mother ko at mga kapatid ko ang intra. Kaya this month, ang daming bumili sa akin, kaya na-promote agad ako sa position ng ED. Thank you also kay Joyce, kay ED Joyce Dimagante, ED6UP Emma Dumas, at sa aking mga mentor, IMD Monet, GMD Raul, GMD Dino, GMD Robert Mar, GMD Ting Timpo, GMD Malu Arellano, GMD Peng Mendoza. Thank you, Lifestyle, for this new business opportunity. Stay healthy, drink intra, share intra, pass intra. To God be all the glory.
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Lifestyles. You know, I couldn't believe my eyes, and I am in complete awe upon knowing that I have got 2 promotions in March, Regional Director, and a week or 2 after, Executive Director. And I have a bunch of people to thank to because of these promotions. I know words could not suffice to thank my sister, Eden Descarten. Thank you so much, Ate, for forcing me to do Lifestyles, for supporting me. This is for you. Thank you so much. And also for our uplines, Ate Fe, Ingles, and Ma'am Cora. Thank you so much for your kindness, for your encouragement, and for your words of wisdom shared to us. And to our GMD uplines, Ma'am Eva Aradilius and Ma'am Nera Quiros. thank you so much for such a great inspiration to the team. And of course, to our newly promoted GMD, Sir Ramil Katarman, congratulations, sir. You deserve it. And thank you so much, everyone. And to our Lifestyles users, thank you for believing our products. And this is your new Executive Director, Eustachio III Damalo from Team Heart. Thank you so much and happy lifestyling, everyone.
Hi, my name is Ismael Lino Gallardo. I live in Miami, Florida. I meet Indra dahil sa younger sister ko at sa pamangkin ko. Dati meron na akong gout. Di talaga ako makalakad. Di ako makapagtrabaho. And then, nag-take ako ng Intra at saka ng Nutra. Tapos, hindi na uli sila umulit. So, malaki ang pasasalamat ko dahil na-introduce yung Intra at Nutria sa akin para hindi na ako mag-take ng ibang anti-inflammatory. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tumulong sa akin. Nagpapasalamat din ako kay NMD Lenlen Bormeo and NMD Milet Honson, Tita Seni Lejano, Ate Chato Villafranca, sa aking pamangkin na napakabait, Aina Bernales, and then sa kapatid ko na laging sumusuporta sa akin, si November 3 Martinez. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Good morning. I'm Lisa Olofernes Tabanas. I am newly promoted Executive Director. Before Intra, I suffered almost A to Z disease. A as in asthma, B as in breast mass, C as in cystitis, D as in dysmenorrhea, E as in enlargement of the heart, H as in herniated disc, I as in insomnia, K as in kidney stone, M as in myoma, O as in ovarian cyst, P as in post-traumatic stress disorder, U as in UTI, V as in vertigo. Thanks God, C is not cancer or coronavirus. After taking Intra, all my diseases are gone because I have now a strong immune system. My spouse is a diabetic and he has a 4x4x6 renal mass or kidney tumor. With 2 bottles of Intra, his renal mass was gone and he has a controlled blood sugar. Before Lifestyles, my life was always at the hospital. As I can remember, it seemed like my attendance at the hospital was more than my attendance in my work. But now, I am healthy, so I encourage you to take our products, Intra, Nutria Plus, and Fiber Life for a strong immune system. Because a strong immune system is our only fight against coronavirus. With that, thank you and stay safe and healthy, everyone.
Good morning, I'm Christina Cagara from Tacloban City and a public school teacher by profession. I joined Lifestyles way back June 2018 because of my family's health challenges. Intra was introduced to me by direct distributor Girly Globio and decided to get an express package. Using the products, I was grateful with what happened to my family. Sharing my story to my friends and other people despite the lockdown, I was promoted as Executive Director. Thank you so much, Lord. I want to thank my angel upline who introduced me to Lifestyles, Direct Distributor Girly Globio, and Executive Director Ethel Ronda. To my mentors, IMD Lerma Romero, IMD Monit Advencola, GMD Dino Advincola, GMD Robert Marazate, GMD Raul Limpiado, GMD Maludias Aureliano, GMD Christine Todino, and of course, the mentor of all mentors, GMD Peng Mendoza. Thank you so much for the unending support and guidance. May you continue to inspire other people to live a life with a purpose. The last but not the least, I want to thank my supportive downlines. May God continue to give us His wisdom and lead us to a life worth living for. God bless us all. To God be all the glory. Thank you.
Good morning! Ako po si Nilda Babuladusin ng Tacloban City, promoted as Executive Director ng Lifestyle March 2020. Thank you po kay GMD Raul Limpiado, IMD Jocelyn Limpiado, my upline, and to Dr. Lirma Romero na tumulong sa akin sa pag-facilitate ng promotion ko. Ang lifestyle is important to our family, health, and wealth-wise. Sa health, lahat po ng mga challenges namin ay na-address sa kasalat araw-araw may pera ako. Kayo dyan ng mga friends at mga kaibigan, mag-join na kayo ng lifestyle and live better every day. Thank you and good morning.
Good morning, lifestylers. Ako si Remy Gabukan from Davao City. I'm 75 years old. Nag-join ako sa lifestyle noong March 3, 2020. Ang kinuha kong package ay Instant Direct. Ang husband ko ay dating user ng product at talagang nagustuhan niya. Kaya, decision namin gawing business kasama ang buong family. Na-promote ako sa pagka-ED dahil sa mga anak ko, downline ko sila.
Good morning, world. Good morning, Philippines. God is good all the time. This is Rachel Maratas, the newly promoted Executive Director from Escalante City. In the book of Proverbs, chapter 16, verse 3, states that, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed." Thank you, Lord, for this message. Salamat na nakilala namin ang Lifestyles products. Ito pala ang sekreto na to feeling great every day. To the Deborah family in Canada, thank you so much na gumawa kayo ng mga produkto na mabisa sa ating katawan. Amazing talaga ang Lifestyles products. I would like to say thank you to my idol, my mentor, my coach, palaging nakasmile, the ever supportive, the beautiful International Marketing Director, Ma'am Imelda Rosales. Through her, nalalaman ko kung gaano kabisa ang Lifestyles products. Dito ko rin nalalaman ang lahat ng mga dreams ay matutupad. Thank you, Ma'am. Kung wala kayo, hindi ko maabot ang pagiging Executive Director. Thank you so much. To God be the glory.
Morning, I'm Rodeline Mabanglo from Bloomington, Santa Cruz, Manila. I am a solo parent, but then again, despite of the pandemic issue, kailangan ko isama yung baby ko sa mga STP, sa mga workshop, at sa mga seminar sa office. Kaya naman sobra ako nagpapasalamat kay Ma'am Rose Quizon, kay Ma'am Ying Condinato, kay Ma'am Athena Esporlas, at sa iyo po, GMD Peng Mendoza, na walang sawang sumuporta, at higit sa lahat yung effort po na mailan ko po ang pagiging Executive Director. Maraming salamat po sa mga Bible verses na sinishare niyo po, GMD Angie Liwanag. What is impossible with men is possible with God. Kaya nailan ko po ito dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat po dahil sa lifestyle. Unti-unting matutupad ang pangarap ko para sa pamilya ko. Keep us safe everyone. God bless you.
Hello, hi, good morning. I'm Salvador Diaz from Pangasinan, newly promoted Executive Director. Thank you very much sa Lifestyle Company, Sir David Deborah, Global Marketing Director, Emil Duidoy, and National Marketing Director, Hila de Guzman. Maraming salamat din po, of course, sa product. Dahil nag-benefits po ako. And also, kinuha ko na ring business. So, maraming salamat po sa company. That's all. Good morning.
All lifestylers, I'm Ulysses Tungkos from Uslub, Cebu. I joined Lifestyle last October 2019. It is my wife, joined also Lifestyles for her health challenges. She suffered asthma and vertigo before, and praise God, she is already healed. Thanks God for this phenomenal product. And now my family is drinking Intra Juice for free because of our life builders. I was promoted Regional Director last February Bulyong and Executive Director last March. COVID-19 is not a hindrance to our business. We're happy doing our mission, making people's lives worth living. We have our payouts every month, and eventually we will climb the ladder of success. Thank you to our upline Lourdes Nunez, I am the Lourdes Nunez, and to all our intra-users and business partners. Thank you to my wife, Executive Director Iba Ibanez Tuncos, and to all our children, also our movers, especially Direct Distributor John L. Tuncos. And last, thank you to Almighty God for the abundance. Once again, good morning.
Congratulations to our newly promoted executive directors. And now, since we just ended our Pearl Farm incentive qualification period, let us congratulate all the qualifiers whose name will be flashed on screen. Let's watch this. Congratulations once again, and now I would like to introduce to you another person all the way from our global headquarters in Toronto, Canada. Let us all welcome our Managing Director, Mr. Sean Devora.
Good morning, Philippines. Hi, it's Sean. I'm right now in the head office here in Toronto, Canada. I wanted to talk to you today about some exciting things going on. I have a very exciting announcement I'm going to share with you. But before I do that, I just want to talk to you about what's going on. You know, it was almost a month ago I was in the Philippines. It's hard to believe. It was just over a month ago. We were in Yanaris. We were just celebrating our biggest month of all time. I think we had 17 or 18 promotions. We had over 2,000 people in that venue, and we were so excited. Then I got on a plane, came home, and 2 days later, we found out the country's going into quarantine and lockdown. And from our point of view, that was insane. We didn't know what was going on. Over here in Canada, we haven't heard anything about COVID-19, but we started understanding what was really going on. And the funniest thing happened was the number one priority Lifestyles has is commission. And we honor ourselves for 31 years, making sure commission is paid to you guys on time on the 20th of the month. And what happened was that day, when Duterte made the announcement that the whole Luzon is going on lockdown, we had all the checks in the office. And our number one priority was to get back into that office to get those checks out to all of you. And I gotta congratulate our GM, Chantel, a special shout out to our finance manager, Edwin, and all the Filipino staff who made it their mission to get those checks out to you guys. I can tell you, when the 20th of the month happened, those checks were out of our possession and in the mail going to all of you. And that was our number one priority. Then we figured out, how do we stay in business? And through some very creative methods, we did. We found a way to get you your product and stay in business. The month of March was fantastic. We still had an unbelievable month of sales, thanks to you guys. And we had a brand new global marketing director. Can you believe it? Amazing. So what I want to do right now is I know a lot of people always come to me and say, I want to visit head office. I want to see what international looks like. So I said, let me give you a little tour of just the warehouse portion of international. So as you can see all around us, rows and rows and rows of products. You know, this is your Intra, the way it arrives, right from the Intra factory, full skid. You know, I'm going to show you a little bit down here how big this warehouse is. It goes all the way to the back. I'll just take you down one of our rows here. So we basically have all the Nutria from top to bottom. Nutria, Nutria. This Nutria is actually going to Singapore. Over here we have more Nutria, more Nutria. This one is actually FiberLife going to the Philippines. Fresh FiberLife ready to go. These are actually some intra-bottle capsule products. We have lots and lots and lots of stuff here, as you can see. So as you can see, here's more Intra. We got labels, we got boxes, we got tons of stuff here. What I want to tell you is the factory is open. We are not stopping production. We are an essential service, guys. Our product is made at the factory here in Toronto, and we're still open. As you can see, we even have more. How about Nutria capsules for Malaysia? Brand new shipment. So as you can see, guys, that's our warehouse. We have a couple of the boys working here still. Hi, guys. Hi, Van. So, guys, as I said, we have something very exciting for you. We just finished our Go ED incentive. The incentive was tremendous. We had so many people qualified, and I know a lot of you want to achieve the next Go ED incentive. So today, right now, we're going to launch the new Go ED incentive. Are you ready? Are you excited? Let's look at the video. Hi guys, I hope you all are going to be happy and stay healthy. I'm looking forward to the day where I get back on that jumbo airplane. I come back to the Philippines and we fill those arenas again with over 10,000 people. Stay strong, take care of your family, take care of your neighbors, and remember to drink Intra, share Intra, and pass it on. Time to get back to work.
Thank you very much to our Managing Director, Mr. Sean Deborah, for that great and very inspiring announcement. And now, let us proceed to another recognition. Our Executive Directors, 6 qualified legs, power legs. These people are very inspiring. Ibig sabihin po, these leaders each have 6 QLs. Meaning, meron po silang at least 6 leaders. At yung total volume po nila is at least 25,000 points or 9 instant po or 18 express direct po yung total volume po nila. Very inspiring po talaga sila. They are indeed leaders on their way to their elite promotions. Let us all watch this.
name is Lisa De Jesus, retired government employee from Naga City, Bicol. First of all, gusto ko muna pong magpasalamat una-una kay Lord kasi siya po ang gumawa ng lahat. Siya talaga ang nag-support sa akin everyday kasi nasa loob lang ako ng bahay kasi total lockdown nga dito sa Naga City. So, everyday, para ako nagka-countdown. Pero siya lahat talaga ang, lahat niya ako ginaid kung paano kumatapos ang run ko as XQLPL. Second, lubos pa ako nagpapasalamat sa mga mentors ko. Sila talaga, halos everyday tumatawag ako sa kanila. Sila ang nagpapalakas ng loob sa akin kasi pag natatawagan ko po sila parang nagigising ako uli. And lahat ng downlines ko po, natatawagan ko po talaga sila. And grabe, mysterious po talaga ang nangyayari sa akin. Kasi lahat po ng downlines na tinawagan ko, talagang nakikooperate po sa akin. So, ever grateful po ako sa aking angel upline, si IMD Shi, Ripatakodo. Ma'am Shi, thank you. And ang aking GMD upline na si Ma'am Russell, GMD Russell Ripatakodo, grabe pong support and inspiration na binigay niyo po sa akin. Halos everyday nag-cheer po kayo sa akin para matapos ko ang run ko as XQLPL. So sa aking asawa po, pag lumalabas kami kasi bawal pong lumabas dito sa Naga. So nakasasakyan lang kami para pumunta po doon sa mga downlines ko na hindi po nawala po silang internet para magpadala ng credit card authorization. So, grabe po talagang pasasalamat ko sa kanilang mga downlines ko. Ang mabait at masisipag po silang lahat. Thank you and good morning.
Hello, good morning everyone. Ako si Marilu de Guzman. Ako ang nagpapasalamat sa pinakagawapong GMD Brother Lito de Guzman, kay GMD Jenny Montalban, kay GMD, kay Angie Liwanag, at mentor to all mentors, Teng Mendoza. Ang masasabi ko lang, ang benepisyong na ibigay sa akin ng Intra ay dati ay sumasakit ang sikmura ko. Nung ako ay nag-take ng Intra, ay hindi na sumakit ang sikmura ko. At ganun din yung sa aking mga apo. Kaya ako ay nag-lifestyle. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa aking mga downline. Ano pa ba? Rain, ikaw, ano sasabi mo?
Sa lahat na lifestyle, gusto ko po kasi yung Intra, ang sarap natitikman pag may sakit, pwede niyo po iinumin yun.
At marami rin salamat sa mga nakagawa ng produktong ito at dinala dito sa Pilipinas at maraming nag-benefits. At kaya ako sumali dito ay gusto kong yumaman para kakatulad ng aking pinakagawang kapatid na sa GMD Lito de Guzman.
Congratulations to our newly promoted ED6QLPLs and requalifiers for this March volume. Kakatuwa, no? Parang hindi tayo nag-lockdown with all the promotions we have. Eto pa, yung next po na makikita natin is a proof na kakaiba po talaga ang mga Pilipino. The pandemic that we are experiencing is worldwide. Pero ang mga Pilipino, dinadaan sa positivity. Kahit po pinagbawal ang TikTok, di mapigilan. What is inspiring sa intermission po na makikita po ninyo, pati mga lifestylers din, di mapigilang ibida ang intra sa kanilang mga TikTok. Let us watch this.
Kumala sa Vesta. Kumala sa Vesta. Oh, no, 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 no sa Vesta. Oh, no, 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 no sa Vesta. Baby, come give me something, oh. When I lose control, I need Corona babay na, di ka namin bet sa earth. Corona babay na, nagkakatsaka ka ng life. Corona babay na, nagkakasira ka ng rampa. Corona babay na, mag-feral walk ka na. Something on. Baby, come give me something on. 'Cause I can't stop loving. Since I got a taste of you.
Thank you so much for those distributors who made those videos with Intra while staying at home. And now, let us proceed to the most awaited promotion this March volume. The highest position on Lifestyle's ladder of success, the Global Marketing Director promotion. Let us call on Global Marketing Director Ms. Nera Quiros to introduce our newly promoted Global Marketing Director.
Good morning, this is Nera Quiros, Global Marketing Director, humbled and deeply honored in behalf of Global Marketing Director Eva Aradelios, International Marketing Director Lourdes Nunez, International Marketing Director Maristela Brewer, International Marketing Director Cora Rizal, to introduce to you this person that even heaven and earth collide to pour blessing after blessing to grant his heart's desire. This person is truly an ambassador in his own right to bringing hope to every home amidst this trying time of COVID-19 pandemic. Because of his persuasiveness, confidence beyond measure, and his end in mind that one day Almighty God will grant the once impossible dream for his family is possible. Before I will call him, let us view the video that is prepared for him.
This is the moment, this is the day when I send all my doubts and demons their way, every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play, is here and now today. This is the moment, this is the time when the momentum and the moment are in rhyme. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all I've done, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become one. This is the day, see it sparkle and shine, when all I've lived for becomes mine. For all these years I've faced the world alone, and now the time has come to prove to them I've made it on my own. This is the moment, my final test. Destiny beckoned, I never reckoned second best. I won't look down, I must not fall. This is the moment, the sweetest moment of them all. This is the moment, time of the odds. This day or never, I'll sit forever with the gods. When I look back, I will always recall, moment for moment, this was the moment, the greatest moment of them
My fellow distributors, friends, let us all welcome and celebrate the victorious, newly promoted Global Marketing Director, Ramil Epi Katarman.
I won't look down, I must not fall. This is the moment, the sweetest moment of them all.
Good morning. Yes or yes. Hi. I am newly promoted Global Marketing Director Ramil Katarman from Cebu City. So by background, I am a former public school teacher of Tejero Elementary School, Cebu City. So I was employed for 10 years. So dahil sa employment ko, sobrang stress ko talaga. Grabe yung work, grabe yung trabaho talaga sa employment. So I realized na, oh my God, na-scam pala ako after the presentation. After I attended the presentation, na-scam pala ako sa employment. So I came to the company way back 2014 kasi nakatry lang ako ng product kasi meron akong hemorrhoids, by arthritis, acute ulcer, over fatigue, insomnia, high blood, UTI. Grabe. So grabe, na-take ako ng product, sobrang galing ng product, kaya nag-try ako sa business. No? So I attended the presentation. After there, nakapag-decide ako na kukuha ng Express Direct. So my life has never been the same again because of my one decision, my Express Direct. So pasasalamatan ko yung appliance ko dito sa Lifestyles for bringing me to this opportunity. Nagbago na talaga yung buhay ko dahil sa inyo. Number 1, yung core upline ko, International Marketing Director Corazon Rosel. And of course, International Marketing Director Lourdes Nunez. International Marketing Director Maristela Brewer Elnard in New York. National Marketing Director Vanessa Sagoban, Selva Sagoban. And of course, our Global Marketing Directors in Cebu, GMD Nera Quiros and GMD Eva Radelius for the wisdom, for the teachings, and for the concretized tools, carpeted ladders talaga, grabe, madali lang, very easy to duplicate, at dali gawin ng business dahil sa sobrang ganda ng tools na ginawa mo, GMD Eva. Thank you so much. Of course, masasalamatan ko lahat ng mga tao sa buhay ko, lalo na sa family ko, sa support nyo. Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much talaga sa lahat-lahat. Of course, masasalamatan ko lahat ng mga power legs ko. Yung mga power legs ko talaga na very unstoppable, duplicated, lahat sila magaling na talaga. Hindi ko talaga kalain na magawa ko yung promotion na to in times of COVID-19. March, no? March volume. Grabe yung mga nila, grabe yung mga works nila talaga, no? Grabe. Pero alam ko talaga mag-GMD ako. Kasi I was promoted to Executive Director 6QLPL talaga October 2017. The following year, October 2018, I was promoted to National Marketing Director. And of course, the following year, September 2019, I was promoted to International Marketing Director. So talagang ramdam ko na talaga na mag-Global Marketing Director ako. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much to all the people, no? Sa lahat ng mga lifestylers, sa lahat ng mga elite leaders, sa lahat ng mga Global Marketing Directors, thank you so much. Lahat ng mga Global Marketing Directors, thank you so much for inspiring me. Sa lahat ng mga talks nyo, wisdom nyo talaga, grabe yung mga drive nyo talaga, grabe yung mga hugot nyo talaga. Ramdam ko na talaga, grabe, mag-Global Marketing Director talaga ako. And of course, thank you so much to all my power legs, no? Going back to my power legs, my power leg 1. Thank you so much for my brother, yung promoted National Marketing Director, former construction worker. Thank you so much, National Marketing Director Raul Senoy. Under him are National Marketing Director Colin Grace Helvela, National Marketing Director Raul Senoy, National Marketing Director Wachichao, no? Wachichao, and Grace Mata. Thank you so much. Lahat-lahat, and the rest of the team, thank you so much. And of course, my second power leg is Emily Abalier. Thank you so much. She just started from 2,000 pesos, and now she's 86 QLPL Emily Abalier. Under her are Amy Ruiz, Sir Jason, Ma'am Joy. Thank you so much, and the rest of the team. Hindi ko na kilala kasi sobrang dami nila talaga, no? Thank you so much for the production, for the cooperation. Sa lahat-lahat, congratulations for your payouts coming, no? Sobrang laki ng mga payouts. And of course, my power leg 3. Executive Director 6 QLPL Power Leg, my father, he's 85 years old. He's my third power leg, no? Under him is Hannah Lumuntad, Executive Director Rochelle Sabas, Executive Director Janet Sarnejo, Executive Director, Regional Director Vinchita Felicio from Surigao City, and the rest of the team. Thank you so much, guys. Grabe yung production nyo, duplicated kayo, you own your business. Congratulations, grabe. And of course, my power leg 4, no, my sister, elder sister, no, 88 QLPL Lolita Katarman. Under her are Executive Director Abigail Kinal, Executive Director Florabel Manano, Regional Director Ronita, Executive Director Malo Mapait, Regional Director Miralani Cuico, Regional Director Mary Jane Veloso, the rest of the team. Sobrang laki ng team dyan, grabe, sobrang laki ng leg, congratulations. Duplicated, magagaling, very teachable. I love you all, guys. And of course, my power leg 5 under my sister. So my sister, our eldest, Nora Katarman, is my 5th power leg, no? So under her, Regional Director Jeline, no? My former classmate, Jeline, no? Bastida, yung cousin ko si Shoni Terizo, and of course, si Mrs. Ampang, yung classmate ko si Horbina Rochelle, Si Ma'am Panta, yung dialysis survivor, and the rest of the team, sobrang laki ng leg, sobrang duplicated, teachable lahat, congratulations. My last power league, my 6th power league is our youngest sister, no? Si Maricel Augusto Catarman, no? Of course, under her is my former classmate in high school, Leonida Munoz, and of course, Engineer Oreo, no? Babivic Oreo. Supervisor sa DepEd, Sir Nestor Randia. Of course, Mariner, no? Sir Mark Vic Vasquez, and Sir Estrella, no? Yung supervisor, of course, and the rest of the team, sobrang dami nyo, sobrang laki nyo talaga. Congratulations. Alam ko talaga na lahat kayo magiging global marketing directors din. So, sundan nyo lang yung training, sundan nyo lang lahat ng mga teaching sa mga elites. Teaching natin dito sa sobrang gabi, carpeted lahat, kompleto na, tayo na lang kulang. May problema talaga tayo pag hindi tayo nag-succeed dito sa business, no? Nakita ko talaga, grabe yung opportunity, lahat tayo pwede maging successful, pwede maging milyonaryo, no? So don't get stuck, ibigyan nyo na lahat ng kaya nyo, no? Of course, thank you so much to the corporate, no? To the corporate headed by Miss Chantel Gonzalez. Thank you so much, Ma'am, Miss Chantel. Si Sir Hill Panday, thank you so much, and the rest of the team. Grabe yung supportan nyo, grabe yung text, tawag, at lahat-lahat po, follow-ups and all. Thank you so much for loving us, for the unconditional love, to all the distributors. Thank you so much, and of course, the owners of the Lifestyles Global Networks, no? Sir Sean Deborah, and si Sir David Deborah. Thank you so much, sir, for bringing Lifestyles to Philippines. Sobrang dami na nagbagong buhay. Alam namin na years from now, parami din ang magiging millionaire sa Pilipinas because of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. Thank you so much, Lifestyles, for changing my life. No, grabe. Iba na talaga yung buhay ko. 5 years lang ako sa business. So now I am Global Marketing Director. Nakapag-travel ako sa ibang bansa internationally dahil sa Lifestyles opportunity. I was able to went to Vietnam. Cruise yun. Kasama ko yung mga lifestylers, yung mga elites. So, my first international travel. Thank you so much. And of course, I went to Hong Kong and Macau because of Lifestyles. And yung latest travel ko yung nagpunta ako sa Holy Land with other lifestylers. Grabe yung experience. Of course, local travel, sobrang dami. Yung domestic travels namin, sobrang dami. May yung upcoming namin, yung Pearl Farm Davao. Grabe, excited ako sa Pearl Farm. Of course, nakapunta na kami sa Vitalis, nakapunta kami sa kahit saan. No, grabe, Henam Beach Resorts, Bohol, G Park sa Lapu-Lapu City, Plantation Bay, Coron, Palawan. Sobrang dami ng local travels talaga. Grabe, bigyan nyo lang lahat ng mga talaga. Huwag na kayong talaga, stop holding back sa mga nyo. Bigyan nyo na lahat. Para while your family, your mother, fathers are still alive, tudo nyo na 100% talaga para no regrets. Kasi pag ibinigay mo yung lahat nyo, sobrang layo talaga yung marating nyo dito, no? Proven na talaga yan kasi sobrang dami na nagiging global marketing directors. At isa na ako doon, di ba? And of course, because of Lifestyles opportunity, of course, I was able to buy my brand new car with Lifestyles. I'm driving my brand new car. And of course, I was able to buy a house and lot subdivision Cebu City and dalawang condominium units and paper assets and a lot more. Ongoing yung construction sa isang bahay ko naman dito sa Cebu City ngayon. Of course, thank you so much, Lord, for the abundance. Sa lahat. Thank you so much sa lahat talaga. To all my cross lines, sa Cebu team, Visayas team, sa lahat ng mga my Lifestyles family sa buong mundo at sa buong Pilipinas. Grabe talaga. Congratulations. I love you all. Ibigay nyo na lahat. Grabe talaga. Itudo nyo na. I hope I have inspired you. I started from nothing. Ngayon, iba ng buhay ko. I started from zero. Ngayon, iba ng buhay ko. I hope pag nangyari sa akin ito, ito ay pwede mangyari sa lahat. Ang pera, hindi puhunan dito ang pera. Ang pinakapuhunan talaga dito yung decision talaga. Just decide. Give your all. Work with the system. Be teachable. And soon you'll be Global Marketing Director. With that, thank you and good morning.
the moment, my final test. Destiny beckoned, I never reckoned second.
Congratulations, GMD Ramil Catarman! Congratulations, Cebu! And now, we came this far to our program. Congratulations! You stayed! Tap mo yung person sa katabi mo at sabihin mo, congratulations! And now, we will hear an inspiring talk from our global highest income earner. I'm so proud and happy to be part of her team. I never seen her so busy nowadays. She made us confident, positive, and very much excited in the midst of all these challenges. She is well known with these words, ang pusong nagmamahal, hindi napapagod. Let us all welcome our mentor from Metro Manila, Global Marketing Director, Ms. Peng Mendoza.
Good morning, lifestylers. Good morning, Sir Sean and Sir Paul. Nice to be with you again, even online. And hi, GM and all the GMDs, GM Chantel, hello, and all the lifestylers there, and the heroic distributors that are still and going strong doing the lifestyles business. Grabe. Ang saya-saya ko, excited ako kasi panibagong style to ng ng RLT. Anyway, congratulations to all the newly promoted distributors, especially to our new Global Marketing Director, Idol, Ramil Catarman. Grabe, bang klase. Alam ko naman, mag-GMD ka. Wala naman akong doubt doon. Sigurado ako mag-GMD ka. Kaya lang, grabe, lockdown, nag-GMD ka, kakaiba ka talaga. Idol. Bang klase. Bilib ako sa sipag mo at determinasyon mo, tsaka yung galing mo. Anyway, let's talk about challenges. Grabe naman topic ko, challenges, di ba? Kasi ang maganda, pag may challenge, may opportunity, di ba? So, bakit naging magkarugtong ang challenge at opportunity? Ganun talaga. Pag may challenge, may opportunity. Yun ang maganda. Okay? Naalala ko kasi nung alam niyo naman kung anong challenge kayo, di ba? Naalala ko nung nag-uumpisa pa lang yung coronavirus. Hindi pa nga COVID nun. Nung ina-announce, di ba, last January, tapos nag-February, wala tayong pakialam, di ba? So, super mega hope pa. Ang dami-daming tao sa super mega hope. Tapos doon sa gala, ang dami rin tao. Tapos yung, naalala niyo yung SLT na punong-puno yung tao doon sa office. Grabe. Wala tayong pakialam sa sa coronavirus noon. Di natin pinapansin. Hanggang sinabi na nga na bawal na yung mass gathering. Di na pwede. So, gumawa pa rin kami ng diskarte, si Ma'am Chantel. Hi Ma'am Chantel, gumawa ka pa rin ng diskarte noon. Ang ginawa mo, sige, sa office pa rin, mag-hope, pero one seat apart, parang nag-e-exam, di ba? So, ginawa pa rin natin yon, excited pa rin tayo, hindi pa nga nagmamask yung mga tao noon, hindi pa siguro natin naiintindihan kung ano yung challenges. At saka hindi pa natin matanggap. Hanggang one time. Ano na nangyari one time? Sinabi na nga dito sa Metro Manila, ECQ na. Grabe. Yun, yung hindi, parang, totoo ba to? ECQ? So, hindi pwedeng lumabas? ECQ nga stay at home nga. So, hindi pa rin natin na nararamdaman kung ano yun, kung ano yung sinasabing ECQ. Pero, yun nga yung challenges natin. Pero sabi sa Bible, ang maganda dito, sabi, count it all joy, my brothers, when you meet trials of various kinds, for you know the testing of your faith produces steadfastness. And steadfastness have its full effect, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking nothing. So, dapat daw pala pag may trial, masaya ka. Kasi it will produce you yung katibayan, no? Steadfastness, matatag ka. Pag matatag ka, you will be perfect and complete, lacking nothing. So, welcome natin itong challenge na to. Dahil ito yung magpapagrow sa atin. Ano ba nga talaga ang challenge natin? Alam naman ninyo kung ano ang challenge natin, di ba? Yung pinaka-challenge natin, yung virus, yung corona, COVID, di ba? So, magpasalamat tayo at walang nahahawa sa atin. At ito ang pinakamatinding challenge, yung stay at home. Hindi na pwedeng lumabas. Yan ang pinakamatindi doon. Paano na, di ba? Ang meeting pa naman natin, puro, yun ang business natin meeting, magkita, mag-usap, makipagkita, sa events. Events is the life of our functions. Tapos sabihin sa atin, hindi pwede mag-functions, hindi pwede mag-events, hindi pwede mag-meeting. Grabe, magmula nung nagka-challenge ng ganito, nagkaiba na. Iba na yung business natin. Kasi, iba na rin ang priorities ng tao. May challenge tayong ganito, so nagbago yung priorities ng tao sa labas. Ano yung priorities ng tao sa labas? Ang priorities ng tao sa labas yan, pagkain. Okay? Pagkain ang priority nila, kailangan makakain sila. Kasi karamihan, nawalan ng trabaho dito or hindi nakakapasok. So yung iba, may trabaho pa, pero hindi na kasing kagaya dati. So marami talagang nawalan ng income dito sa Pilipinas, sa Metro Manila, sa Luzon. Maraming industries na hindi na nagtatribe, kagaya ng tourism, yan. Diba? Talagang nasaktan maigi ang tourism, so lahat ng mga airlines, anything that has to do with tourism. Yan. Hotels, resorts, mga nawala na sa usapan yan ngayon. Okay? And ang hinahanap na tao bukod sa food ay health. Gusto nila maging healthy. Sino gusto maging healthy? Okay? Siyempre gusto nyo maging healthy, di ba? Bakit? Kasi yun nga, yung virus sabi, pag malakas daw yung immune system mo, hindi ka daw, kahit mahawaan ka, hindi ka maapektuhan. Kasi pwedeng maging asymptomatic basta malakas ang ang immune system mo. So ngayon, yan na yung priority ng tao. Food and health. Yung food, ang totoo niyan, yan yung datong. Bread. Diba? Noon nga, nung 70s, ang tawag nila sa pera, bread. Kasi nga, chicha, pagkain. So, kung may makakain ba kami, di ba kami, lalabas ba kami? Yun yung sabi ng mga tao. Kaya daw lumalabas yung mga tao, sabi nila, pasaway yung mga tao, ayaw magstay at home. Tinatanong nila, kung may pagkain kami, hindi na kami lalabas. Hindi na kami magtatrabaho. Pero kaya sila lumalabas kasi wala nga silang pera. So nagtatrabaho sila para makakain. So yan na yung priority ng tao, food and health. So nangiti kayo, di ba? Kasi atin yan eh. Ito nga yung opportunity natin eh. Di ba? Ang opportunity natin, kasi yung products natin ay pampalusog, pampahealthy. Diba? Grabe talaga, Lord. Thank you, Lord, talaga. Ibang klase ang demand ng produkto natin ngayon. Siguro napapansin nyo rin talaga kahit yung hindi mga bumibili na dati na nakatikim na ng lifestyles products noon, na mahalan na sila, ayaw na nila bumili for some reasons, kumukontak sila ngayon. Yung mga distributors na nagpa-expire na ngayon, na gustong bumalik, makainom lang ng product. Saka yung mga kamag-anak na dati hindi nila pinapansin yung intra, ngayon sila na yung bumibili. Grabe, alam nila kasi na kakaiba yung product natin. Talaga kung health lang ang pag-uusapan, iba yung lifestyles products. Maraming food supplement. Pero pag nakatikim ka na kasi ng lifestyles products, hahanap-hanapin mo. And the lifestyles opportunity, our business. So, yan. Health and wealth. So, yan ang inaalok natin sa mga tao. Yan ang meron tayo. So, yung pangangailangan nila ngayon, yun yung meron tayo. Ha? So, ang question na lang sa atin ngayon ay, paano ba natin mapapaalam? How do we let them know about our product and opportunity? Yun na lang. Kailangan lang maintindihan, malaman nila na grabing ganda ng product natin, nakaka-healthy, at maaring hindi ka magkaroon ng symptoms kahit mahawaan ka ng COVID. At ngayon pa naman, bawal magkasakit ngayon, di ba? Yung isang doktor nga sabi, nag-chat, nagre-record siya may video siya. Sabi niya, I'm a doctor. Pangit ko man sabihin ito sa inyo. Pero kung ubo-ubo lang yan, kung masakit lang yung lalamunan nyo, please lang, wag na kayo pumunta sa hospital. Yun ang sinasabi niya, kahit doktor siya. Kasi baka mas delikado pa yon, mahawa kapag napunta ka sa hospital. Meron nga sa amin, sumalangit nawa, na namatay yung ka-church namin. So, yung asawa niya, hindi na siya nakita Pagdala sa hospital, namatay, cremate na kagad. Tapos yung wife niya, na quarantine, hindi na pinalabas ng bahay. So ngayon, namatay siya, hindi pa alam ng mga tao kung infected siya o hindi. Tapos, quarantine na yung wife. Tapos nung lumabas yung result sa wife, negative. So yung namatay lang yung nag-positive. So ang question ngayon, kasama niya yung wife niya, hindi nahawa. Parang kasi dinala sa hospital, may lagnat lang. Parang iniisip nila tuloy ngayon na doon sa hospital nagkasakit at nahawa. So ganon. Hindi pwede tayong magkasakit at hindi tayo pwede ma-hospital sa panahon ngayon kasi nandoon ang mga highest concentration ng virus. So ngayon, paano natin papaalam yung product natin? Physical distancing nga, tsaka stay at home, bawal nga mag-meeting, di ba? Tingnan mo itong dalawa sa picture, di ba? Nag-uusap sila, magkalayo sila, paano sila makakapag-usap? So, ang tanong ngayon, paano natin makakausap ang mga tao? Nasaan ba ang mga tao ngayon? Saan ba sila matatagpuan? I know, alam nyo kung saan sila matatagpuan. Matatagpuan sila sa social media. Nasa online sila lahat. So, nung ginagawa nila doon, sila'y naghahanap. Kaya tayo din, nandyan din tayo sa social media ngayon. Anong ginagawa din natin? Naghahanap. So, naghahanap sila, naghahanap tayo, kung yung hinahanap nila at hinahanap natin, nagtugma. Yun na. Yun na. Tayo pala yung pinagtugma. So, ang point ngayon ay paano magpapansin sa milyong-milyong tao sa social media. Ito na yung reality. This is our new game. Ito na, sa social media na tayo lahat. Okay? So, wala nang ngayon. Wala nang meeting. Dati naman nag-o-online. Pero may events pa rin naman tayo dati. After mo ma-meet sa online, magkita, mag-inquire sa'yo, magustuhan, Tapos may malalaki tayong events. Ngayon wala na tayong events. Ewan ko kung kailan tayo magkakaroon ng events ulit. So, ngayon, nandyan na tayo lahat na nakatira. Diyan na tayo palagi. So, the social media is now our new meeting rooms. Hindi na yung sa mga function room, hindi na sa Alpaland. Meeting rooms natin ngayon ay social media. And to many people like us, this is new. Bago ito sa atin. Hindi natin ito nakasanayan. Ito ang challenge. Kaya pag natanggap mo na ito, magbabago ka na. Ito na. So, ang challenge natin ngayon ay how to do the business online and effective. So, dati, sa sa labas tayo nag-uusap. Ngayon, online. So, ito yung challenge. Kailangan nating tanggapin na ito, accept. Pag in-accept mo na ang challenge, challenge accepted, you will start to see the opportunity and you begin to change. Pag nakita mo na yung opportunity ng challenge, you begin to change. Hanggat hindi mo nakikita yung opportunity, ayaw mo, wala kang gagawin. So kami, alam ko marami tayo dyan na nagbabago na ng isip, nagbabago na ng kaparaanan. Lahat na ng paggawa ng business, online na, wala na nagkikita. Kami dito lalo sa Metro Manila, hindi kami pwede makalabas. Meron pero abutan lang na ganyan, abutan lang. Hindi, kaway-kaway lang. Kasi nga, social distancing. Bago pa nga yan physical distancing. Okay? So, change ka na, and then later on, makaka-adapt ka na. Okay? And when you adapt na, nasanay ka na, sasanay ka din, sasanay din tayo. Alam ko yan. Kasi hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit ito. Dadating din yung success sa'yo. And you will be successful. Mag-GMD ka, kagaya ni GMD Ramil. Sa lockdown siya nag-GMD. So, magbabago ka na. Dito tayo matatransform. Okay? Magiging flexible na tayo. Panibagong skill to Panibagong skill. Panibagong pakikipag-usap. Iba yung, kung minsan parang iba yung pakikipag-usap sa live, iba yung pakikipag-usap online. Pero sa experience ko nitong mga nakakaraang 3 araw, makakausap mo pa rin talaga yung tao ng puso sa puso kahit online, basta authentic ka pa rin sa pakikipag-usap mo. So, the challenge will transform you to become a better person. Ito na, natanggap na natin ito, na ito na tayo ngayon. Natutuwa din ako kasi biruin mo, ang lakas talaga ng ang lakas ng response ng tao, ang lakas ng product. So, ang daming tao na naghahanap ng opportunity ngayon. Grabe. Kung ano lang yung mga invento mo lang na pinost. Tapos ang dami nagko-comment, ang dami nagtatanong, ang dami nagre-reply. Paano ba gawin ito? Paano ba yung home-based business na yan? Totoo na ang home-based business to kasi hindi na tayo lumalabas, nasa bahay lang. Ako nga, mag-iisang buwan na talaga akong hindi lumalabas. Dito lang ako sa bahay. Papasalamat lang ako. Maluwag yung bahay. Nakakaikot-ikot. So after ko nang bumaba, maligo, dito na ako sa office ko. Ito na yung bago kong meeting room. Dito ko na sa online kausap lahat ng tao. Dito na kami nag-meeting. Kakaiba na talaga. Okay? So, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Pray to God. pray to God for your courage and persistence. Alam ko marami dyan na tatakot, parang bago to. Hindi lang yung pagiging online eh. Alam mo yung dami ko pang naririnig na saka na lang ako mag-business ulit pag tapos na ang quarantine. Pag nakakalabas na tayo ulit. Ito lang ang masasabi ko. Hindi natin alam paglabas natin dito kung paano na naman ulit. Hindi natin alam kung anong effect nito sa mga tao. Effect nito sa business, hindi natin alam. You have to have the courage to do this now. Do this now. Maraming tao na nagsasabi na saka na, pero hindi. Ngayon muna gagawin ito. And persist. Makakasanayan mo rin ito. Maggagawa mo rin ito na parang yung paano mo ginagawa yung business dati. Makakasanayan mo rin ginagawa ito. Ako, getting the hang of it. Marami ako kilalang takot sa technology, sa computer, yung pipindot lang, ay baka may masira ako dyan. Hindi na eh. Wala na. Maghapon mo nang kasama yung computer ngayon. Okay? Ang ano na lang, computer, tapos yung delivery service. Pa-deliver. Hindi ako nagdi-deliver. Yung mga distributors, hindi sila nagdi-deliver. Pa-deliver nila. Pero kung gusto nila makita yung tao, sila nagdi-deliver, kawayan lang. Pero nasa loob ng kotse. So, what you need to do is have a strong internet connection. Kailangan may strong internet connection ka. Ako nga, hindi ako gumagamit ng wifi dito sa bahay. Ang ginagamit ko, cord talaga, cable. Why? Ayokong napuputol yung internet ko. Gusto ko tuloy-tuloy. So, yun na lang. Depende na lang sa PLDT supply. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, itong nasa quarantine tayo, ang lakas naman ng internet. Nakakatuwa. So, you have to be courageous. Tawagin mo ang courage na magtuloy ka, mag-business, aralin ito, intindihin ito, magtuloy-tuloy dito. And you have to persist. Okay? Na alam ko, sa umpisa, mahihirapan ka, pero tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Makakayanan natin to. Lalaki tayo. Ang hinihintay natin yung gamot sa COVID at saka yung vaccine. Pero hindi natin alam kailan pa yon. Baka matagal pa yon. Alangan namang hindi ka magtatrabaho hanggang mangyari yon. So, actually, madami. Kailangan mo lang matutunan. Kanino ka mag-aaral? Yung mga upline nyo, alam yan. Kasi, syempre, mga upline, pinipilit din nilang matutunan to, di ba? So, matututunan mo rin yan. Okay? Because, bakit mo kailangan matutunan? The reality of it is, we are evolving. The world will never be the same again after this virus. Yun ang sa tingin ko. Siguro matagal. Traveling, siguro matagal bago masanay ulit mag-travel ang tao. Dati yung naalala nyo yun nung 911, matagal din recession sa US. Dami kasi yung business talaga na na humina ngayon. Madami. Nag-iba na kasi yung priority ng mga tao eh. Meron akong naririnig sa nakibabasa sa social media, yung sabi, talaga, makalabas lang kami sa quarantine, magbabago na kami, magmula ngayon, magtitipid na kami at mag-iipon na kami ng pera. Sabi ko sa loob-loob ko, kailangan quarantine talaga, no? Minsan talaga, meron talagang aral ang mga pagbabago, challenges. Marami. Like, lagi kayo magkasamang pamilya, na-appreciate yung isa't isa. At wala kayong naman, ibang magagawa kundi appreciate ang isa't isa. Self-love, practice self-love. Kasi nga, gusto mong maging healthy. Tsaka yung mental health. Kaya kailangan nagtatrabaho tayo for mental health. Kasi kung hindi ka magtatrabaho, wala, mabubuang ka sa bahay. So, yan ang pagbabago sa mundo natin. Maraming nagsasabi na alam niyo doon sa sa China, sa Singapore. May kausap kami nung isang araw sa Singapore. Ngayon nagla-lockdown sila. Hindi sila nag-lockdown dati, nag-social distancing lang sila, tsaka wala nang mass gathering. Pero ngayon nagla-lockdown sila. Why? Kasi hindi tumitigil dumadami pa rin. Tinignan ko yung curve kanina, if we will flatten the curve, parang matagal pa. Tapos nainip na yung mga tao, lumalabas na sila. Kaya dumadami pa rin talaga yung nahawa. So we wait for the vaccine and the cure. Pero as of now, wag nating sayangin yung tinuturo sa atin ng lockdown, ng quarantine, ng challenge. Wag nating sayangin to. Ano yung tinuturo sa atin? Marami. Yung nasa social media, marami na maging lalong closer sa Panginoon, lagi mag-pray, maging healthy, family, passion. Pero aside from that, ang tinuturo sa atin is to develop new skills, new way of doing the business, tignan yung kapaligiran natin sa bagong perspective natin. What's important, you are part of history now. Kasama ka. So pag 10 years from now, lalo na yung mga millennial, pag 40 years old na kayo, ikikwento nyo dun sa mga downlines nyo, pag 40 years old na kayo, sabihin nyo, nung panahon namin, na lockdown kami, hindi namin magawa yung business. Ganon, di ba? Pero nagawa pa rin namin yung business. Who knows? Baka ito na yung trending, or at least, ang pinakamaganda, natutunan natin to. At yung nag-a-adjust nga tayo, malaki pa rin yung volume. Ang laki pa rin ang volume. Grabe, may nag-GMD nga, di ba? Nakakagulat pa rin yung volume. So you just have to persist. Do it. Do it. Our people may change, their priorities may change, but our message still is the same. Our message remains, we help people live better every day. Kung health ang hanap mo, you have to be healthy. Ito, meron tayong magandang products. Tapos kung sa kabuhayan, we offer passive income, personal growth, leadership, maraming skills. So for me, thank you, Lord. This is the best business in the world. I am sure napakaraming distributor na nagte-thank you ngayon at nasa lifestyle sila. Ang gagawin lang natin is to let others know that this is the best position that they should put themselves into. The best business in the world. Thank you, Lifestyles. Thank you for continuing na providean kami ng products. Thank you for continuing to provide us business. Andiyan ang payout, andiyan ang products. Grabe. Nakakausap mo si Mr. Paul Kramer. We can do this. We can do this. So tatandaan lang, ako ito lang lagi naalala ko, pinaalala na naman nga sa akin ni GMD Durin. Ito, yung prayer na, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So as a community, tayo, we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. God is always with us. Hindi tayo pinapayagan. Ramdam na ramdam natin siya. Ramdam natin na ginagabayan tayo. Ramdam natin na sa lahat ng pangyayari, in control siya. Kaya eto tayo, we are part of the solution and we are not part of the problem. Maraming bitter, tayo better. And we will help people live better every day. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Thank you sa pakikinig. Thank you. Thank you. To God be all the glory. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Global Marketing Director Ms. Peg Mendoza, for that very powerful and very inspiring motivation. And that concludes our April 2020 Digital Recognition and Leadership Training. Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure to like our Facebook page, LifeStylesPH, and use hashtag LifeStylesPH on Facebook. Once again, thank you very much. To God be the glory. Good morning.